What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T. Back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. I'm a little happy today, man. Today is my 31st birthday. So with that being said, I'm hoping I get a good box today. I know Soul Supremacy don't care if it's my birthday or not, but just to keep that energy, I'm hoping this is a good box. This box today ran me 840 bucks. This is one of the most expensive boxes I've had. I would say all summer. I think the most expensive one I had all summer was like 12 or something like that. This one right here, like I said, was 840 bucks. I'm gonna jump right in this bad boy because I got things to do today. All right, boom, we in there. See what we got off top. I got 2 pair, maybe more, but I know 2 for sure, of loose shoes. We have some KD6, looks like the Weatherman, in a size 10. KD6 Weathermans in a size 10. Don't know too much about these. They look like beaters for sure. These are beaters, no box. So size 10 on these. Anybody want to clean them or restore them or whatever, these will be up for grabs. Haven't seen a KD6 in a while. And yeah, just 2 pair without a box. These are the Space Jams with that 4.5 on the back. Space Jams, you can't go wrong with them. Let me tell y'all the size. Size 11. Still have the Nike Air and all that stuff on the insoles. Size 11 in the Space Jam. These ain't bad. Still pretty dope, man. Even with the 23 on the back. I know some of you guys like that. I mean, with the 45 on the back. I know some of you guys prefer the 23. So those are the only 2 without boxes. Next up, I have a size 11 Jordan 5 metallic. All right, so these are not a size 11. There's a note in here saying that these are a size 11 and a half. So let me check that to make sure. Size 11 and a half, black metallic. So this will be coming in a replacement box. I would have preferred an 11, but 11 and a half, still a good size. Show you guys the shoe, man. No midsole cracking, as you can see. That Nike check on the back, pretty dope. Like I said, I wish these was a size 11. I don't have these at all in my collection. So, very nice pickup. Replacement box. Don't forget, these will come with the replacement box if you order these from me. I don't even know why I showed you that, but I got a Nike ID box. No information on the box, just that good old Nike ID. And we look like we have a Kobe, dead stock Kobe, size 10 and a half, good size. And these are a Nike ID. Man, check these out. These are pretty clean. Whoever ID'd these did a great job. I want to say these are the 11s. Check out the bottom. Dead stock. These are dope. Whoever ID'd those did a good job. Size 10 and a half on those. Oh man, I'm getting excited. I got 2 Jordan 1 boxes at the bottom of the box. We got a LeBron 16 box, size 12, fresh blood. We got some fresh blood. I remember these because I liked them when they dropped. These are size 12, and these appear to be dead stock also. So very nice pickup. Size 12. These are dope, man. If you're a hooper, LeBrons, I heard were pretty cool. Me myself, I'm actually playing ball or shooting around. I ain't gonna say I'm hooping. I'm too big to be trying to hoop, but I'm shooting around in some KDs when I go to the gym if I want to switch up the cardio. These are dope, man. Check these out. Size 12 for you hoopers out there, or just casual wear. I guess you can get away with those rocking them casually. All right, I got a Jordan 4. It tells me on the box what I got. Maybe, unless this is a replacement box. We got a 11.5 Toro 4. All right, these are a pretty good pickup. Unfortunately, not dead stock, but for a pre-owned pair, this is actually all right. And they size 11.5, so another good pickup. Metallic 5s and the Toros are an 11.5. I had these so long ago. I stood in line for these. These are one of the last pairs that I stood in line for. I had to have them when they came out. This was before the sneaker game changed a lot, in my opinion. Man, stood in line for a while. These things didn't even sell out. I was lucky. I remember I stood in line, copped them, got back in line, and was able to cop another pair. I think I had got like a size 13 for my brother or something like that. But those things were dope to me. I don't have them anymore, man. I downsized my collection a lot. But y'all keep asking. I think I got like 30, 35 pair in my collection. I'm getting ready to be off work for a while. So with that being said, I should have enough time to actually sit down and do some things with this YouTube. Shoot some videos, interact more, do the Instagram thing more, all of that. So yeah, back to the box, man. Size 10.5, Jordan 1. See what we got, man. We got some Jordan stickers on the top. Somebody stuck to the paper. Oh, we got these. Believe it or not, I've never seen these in person, held them in hand, anything like that. Clay greens in my size 10.5, and probably my favorite model right now. These, I don't know, man. Clay green. I got a pair of green ones. I got the pine greens you guys seen a while ago. I had picked up. These right here are pretty cool though. Size 10.5. They do have the extra laces, and they got stickers all over the place. I think that's 3 Jumpman stickers that come with this pair. Size 10.5. Need a good little clean up. I might see if the homie can clean these up for me. I normally drop off 2, 3, or 4 pair of shoes at the same time to one guy who go through and just clean them all up for me. And we worked that out. We got a little deal going on, but size 10.5 on those. Last up, Jordan 1 box. Unfortunately, this one is kind of damaged, as you can see. Celtics. I don't even know what size these are. Size 13. OG high Celtics. This is a clean pair. Very clean. Check out the stars on the bottom. Turn this down. Turn that down. Check out them stars. Boom. Size 13. These are dope, man. I had the DMP ones that kind of look like Celtic ones, or I guess they are Celtic ones. I don't know. I'm lost nowadays, man. I can't keep up. But I know for sure these are OG high Celtics. These are in a size 13. Like I said, the box lid is damaged. No extra laces. Still have Nike Air on the insole. This is a pretty good pickup. I know they don't retail for too much anymore, but very dope. Got a picture of the shoe on the box. All right, so that's gonna do it, man, for the birthday box. Like I said, today is my 31st birthday. I'm so blessed, so happy to still be here on this earth, man. And very happy that you guys are tuning into these videos. Appreciate all you guys always coming back and watching and supporting this channel and watching these videos, because I know my editing skills and videos are not by far the greatest. So appreciate you guys rocking with me. Hopefully I can continue to grow and get better at this. And with that being said, make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. That's Instagram, Twitter, eBay, everywhere at TGOTSOLE. If you see anything in this video, I have not been posting shoes. For y'all who've been asking, I have not been posting shoes on eBay that much. I just haven't been needing it at all. You can hit that link below. I might have something, but I probably won't have anything on eBay. If you see anything in any of the videos, just DM me or email me at tgotsole@gmail.com, and I will for sure let you know if I have it or not. And if I have it, they're yours. They coming to you just like you see them in the video. If I don't have it, I'll just reply back, I don't have it. Simple as that, man. That's gonna do it, man. I thank you guys again for watching. I'm out. Peace.